Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do your Valdez. Like in any tutorial, it is very important to warm up. If you want to follow along to a warm-up routine, you can go ahead and click on the I button above. As well as warming up, it is also very important to stretch. So if you want to follow along to a stretching routine, go ahead and click on the I button above. For a Valdez, it is required that you have a bridge, and as well as a bridge, you have a backbend kickover. In the Valdez starting position, the leg that doesn't kick over in a backbend kickover is the leg that is bent. On the other hand, the leg that is straight is the leg that you kick over with first. On the same side as the straight leg, the same arm is behind you turned out. The other arm is straight and right above the bent leg. The straight leg in the Valdez shouldn't have any pressure on the ground. To help you understand this better, I showed a clip of me doing a Valdez without the straight leg having any pressure. Next, you are going to do the starting position that I showed you. Instead, both legs are bent, and then you are going to wrap around into a bridge. This may seem tricky at first, but a good tip is that if I look at the top view of me doing that wraparound bridge, I can see that that arm is making a curved shape. Also, the bridge that starts out on the ground is going to have to twist, so make sure your wrists are fully stretched out. Now you are going to start in a full Valdez position, and you are going to push up into that wraparound bridge. You can see that the bent knee is straightening and pushing up to help me get into that bridge. Next, you are going to do the same wraparound bridge, but instead you're going to lift one leg up. This may seem difficult at first, but here are a few drills. The first drill, you are going to put that straight leg on top of a higher surface and do that same thing. For the second drill, you are going to lay down on the ground and push up into a bridge with one leg up. This may seem difficult, but it will help you. If you cannot do this, strengthen your legs by doing things like lunge jumps and squats. Once you can do the wraparound bridge with the leg coming up, then you can slowly do that position and kick over from there. Keep doing this until you get more consistent and more smooth. Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video. I hope you learned your Valdez, and if you did, subscribe, like the video, turn on the post notifications, and make sure to stay beyond the limits.